We've had a presence in the legislature since 1947, every session. The average cop on the streets doesn't understand, doesn't realize that everything that they do in their jobs day in and day out is based upon laws that were passed in Austin.
You don't just feel as though you're getting the advice of someone who is a hired professional. There's someone that actually does that job.
We aspire to be the organization that when somebody has a question, what do the cops think? That we're the ones they turn to. You know, that when cops need a voice to speak on their behalf, whether it's at the local, state, national level, we're that voice.
It's very admirable to me, not only the services that they provide, but knowing that I have a staff of TMPA members that are fighting nonstop at that Capitol.
We passed civil service, we passed collective bargaining, we passed the written complaint law, we passed minimum wage, minimum salaries for police officers, longevity pay for police officers. We created the different retirement systems that we have for police officers. All those things are results of the TMPA lobbying effort.
It's important to make sure that the legislators hear your voice, and I'm going to listen to my constituents, but I'm also going to listen to an organization that has a wide network throughout the entire state of Texas.
And they work with legislators by educating legislators on law enforcement issues.
Sometimes you need a support network to make sure that you're adequately prepared to talk about the issues or defend something that is really not a good idea.
One police officer out there speaking to the legislature may not get much done, but when you have thousands of officers joining together, their voice is heard in the state capitol.
From time to time, the governors come into a conference to sign a bill. I know that when TMPA requests a meeting with the governor, they're always put on the list, no hesitation. That just shows the kind of respect TMPA has in the state.
The legislators in Texas and in Washington know that when TMPA tells them it's good for law enforcement, then it's good for law enforcement.